Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Starfield trespassing bug. Okay, first things first, a simple restart can resolve a lot of issues. So, try restarting the game and see if the bug disappears. This method has been proven to be effective for many users. Now, if it still doesn't work, let us move on to the second solution. Start by reloading from an earlier autosave point, then navigate to the save option in the game menu. You can then create a manual save files and reload from them whenever you encounter a problem. Load any autosave file and proceed with your quest. Reset the quest once it's loaded to check if the problem persists. If it does, proceed to the next method. As a last resort, you can contact the Bethesda support team. If you have tried all the other troubleshooting methods and are still facing the issue, they are there to help you out. You can reach them through the website support section or report any trespassing bugs in the game. They will work to solve the problem specific to your situation. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Starfield trespassing bug fix. You can now fix Starfield trespassing bug. And that's it. You can now fix Starfield trespassing bug. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.